Welcome to Christian Vlog! Before we start, introduce myself. My name is Chilitar Perez, your host.
And my name is Kristen Cabello, your guest.
Let's start! Welcome to Fast Talk School Edition. Today we'll find out how hard school really. Ready?
Ready?
Math or science?
Science.
Are the subject?
Math.
Homework or quiz?
Homework.
Group project or solo project?
Solo project.
Favorite subject?
English.
The most tiring part of school?
Exam.
Strict teacher or chill teacher?
Chill teacher.
Long test or surprise quiz?
Long test.
Passing grade or perfect attendance?
Passing grade.
Late or absent?
Late.
Copy notes or just lesson?
Copy notes.
Sit work or recitation?
Set work.
Lunch break or dismissal?
Dismissal.
Favorite school snack?
Human rights.
Notebook or phone for notes?
Phone.
Sleep early or cram at midnight?
Come at midnight.
Online class or face-to-face?
Face to face.
Classmate na always prepared or classmate na kapilang?
Copy lang.
Subject you almost failed?
Math again.
Teacher na tiniror pero magaling or teacher na chill pero walang natutunan?
Pero magaling.
PE or MAPI?
PE.
Favorite excuse when late?
Traffic.
If school is hard, why still study?
For my dreams.
Last, one word to describe school.
Challenging.
And that is for the Fast Talk School Edition. School may be hard, but remember it also makes us stronger, smarter, and ready for our future. What you're feeling?
Difficult. But just fight. Lisod, pero laban lang.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time. Bye-bye!